Hey guys, Bruce from CellPro here. Just making a quick video in regards to the Google Play Store. I've got a lot of customers coming into the store saying that they cannot access the Play Store anymore. That's not necessarily the truth. They can still access the Play Store. What they can't do is access information like apps and apps and any other information. So basically, if they went into the Play Store, went to apps, and started to look for like data transfer apps or something like that, it wouldn't really search anything, or it wouldn't search anything. All right, so that's happened twice so far, and I kind of looked into it a little bit farther, and I found out what that problem was. This may be just a Canadian-based issue or something else, but really what's happening is if you have sort of a Shaw email or a TELUS email or something like that, and that's what you've been using for your Google Play Store ID or your Google ID, it no longer works. What you need to do is basically just go and create yourself a Gmail account, and just specifically use it for the Play Store. It will probably load up into your mail account, but just ignore it. Or you can specifically remove it from mail as well. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. That will fix your issue if you are using a TELUS based webmail or any other based webmails. I just know it's specifically TELUS and Shaw at this point. I haven't searched any further. But yeah, anyways, if you like this video and if it helped you, which if you have those accounts, it will, thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, thanks a lot.